Hello everyone. I hope you are good. So today we are learn the how the AI is help your job board to automate your task, boost your candidate engagement, boost your employer engagement. So now this day AI is very used in every sector, right? If you can say in every product. So why not on our Artha job board, right? So before jumping into the solution, first let's understand what are the current challenges into the job board market, right? So the first one is time consuming manual processes. So in the job board, if you want to hire one candidate, right, and you have let's say thousand of the application on front of that job position, it is very tedious task to shortlist that candidate, right? Shortlist the right candidate for that job, for job position, right? Second one is the low quality matches. So if you hire some, if you are receiving thousand of application or hundred of application, right, to shortlist that candidate with the right skill set, with the right experience, with the right domain, it's very challenging these days. And next one is the user engagement. To engage your candidate with the platform, that is very challenging in the job board, because if candidate come into the platform, if they don't find any relevant jobs, relevant uh, job position for them, then he might be do the low engagement with your platform, right? So with these all current challenges in the job matter, we introduced the Artha AI, right? Smart solution for the job boards. So majority we introduced the three AI features. The first one is AI candidate matching, second one is AI job recommendation, and third one is AI resume parsing. So let's understand these three AI feature in the detail, right? So the AI candidate match, finding the right fit faster. So for example, you have a let's say one job posted into your platform, right? And you want to find the right candidate for that job position. It's very difficult if you are receiving the thousands of hundreds of the applications. So how our AI help to find the right candidate for the right job position, right? So what we solve here, right, we build our AI algorithm which help the employer to find the right candidate with the right skill set. So what our AI does, AI first analyze all the candidate profiling. After analyze the profile, AI specifically expand their skill sets. That means let's say if candidate put the one skill set into their profile, our AI make it stand. That means AI will show 10 more skills to that candidate. Based on that, our smart algorithm will do the matchmaking with the job skills and with the set of candidates, right? By doing that, we are recommended set of set of candidate to the employer, and we are also giving the scoring to the existing jobs. So let me show the quick example how it looks like. Just give me a second. Okay, so if you see my screen, I have a logged in as a employer, and I have a set of jobs available into my platform, right? If you see, sorry, if you see, we have a like ATS here where you can track different kind of status, and one is the match candidate, right? So this match candidate is generated by the AI, that is suggesting by the AI for this job. For this job, you have a, let's say 22,484 candidate available into the platform with this skill set, this specific job skill set. So if we click on any match candidate, right, then it shows the list of the profile which is available on the platform with the matching level, right? If candidate profile match with the job with the higher percentage, then it shows it's best match, it shows it's a weak match, this is moderate match for this job profile, right? So you have a set of filter, you can do the filterization. Based on that, you can like find your right candidate for this this job position, right? If you go to the responses, let's think about the use case where you receive the hundred of thousand of job positions. So here also our AI works, that AI will give you the right candidate for your job openings, right? So this is how our AI candidate matching help employer to find the right candidate for right position. Okay, the next one is AI job recommendation, right? So if we are solving the employer problem to find the right candidate, so we are also solving the candidate problem to find the right job for that future needs, that next dream job, right? So the same way our AI works here, right? For example, if you have a set of skill into your profile as a candidate, right? So our AI so the core relevant skills to based on your basic skills, and so the set of recommended jobs to your profile. So for example, let's take one small example. Let's say you have a one skill, for example Node.js, right? You added into your profile. Now the AI will generate the 10 more skill which is correlate to the Node.js. So for example, AI will generate the, let's say, backend developer, Express, React, JavaScript, so and so. And based on that skills, AI will do the processing and suggest you the set of jobs onto your profile. Let me show how it looks like. Just give me a second. I need to log in as a candidate. So I logged in as a candidate here, right? And as a candidate, I have one menu here called recommended job. So if I click on it, I can see the how many jobs are uh, recommended, the matches with my skill set. So if I go to my profile, right, I have a defined set of the skills, job skills here, right? So based on these job skills, AI will generate the more skills and do the processing on that, and show you the most recommended job to your record based on your profile. So this is very useful feature, say, as a point of the, we can say, candidate, right? That help really really candidate to find their dream jobs. Okay, this is our how looks like our AI job recommendation. So our next feature is AI resume parsing, right? So AI resume parsing is something like we are minimizing the manual data entry and reduce the errors. So that means whenever our candidates sign up onto the platform, right, and they want to complete their profile into the platform, we are giving the option to the candidate to generate their profile using their resume, because every candidate have their resume with their with candidate, right? So they can just upload their resume, and based on that data, our AI doing the two things: first extract the data and fill out into the profile, and the second thing, based on that data, they generate the set of the skills, right, and fill into their profile, so that skills help candidate to find more jobs, more relevant jobs, and that skills also help employer to find the right candidate for their job opening. So let me show how it's work and how it's uh, working. So I have already created one candidate profile here, right? Once candidate verify their account, the screen comes. So candidate have two options: is one is intelligent AI resume parser, and second one is create from the scratch, right? So if I click on intelligent AI resume parser, it's asked to upload your resume. So if I, let's say, upload my resume, and if I click on the continue, so AI will do the processing on the resume. It's take a few minutes to process your resume and extract the skill from the resume. Yeah, so if you see, right, AI will extract the set of information based on the my for example, from my resume, it's extract the my university, it's extract the field of study, qualification, it extracts the projects which I added into the my added into my the resume. It's extract to set up few projects, experience which I added into my uh, profile, right? And if you see here, based on this all the details, AI put the set of skills here, right? And these skills help candidate to find the right job, right? And also help employer to find the right candidate. So this is how our AI resume parsing is working, right? So what's this is our feature which is working well right now into our system, but what next, right? In what next innovation into our job board we are experienced, right? So we are working on three major features into our platform. The first one is the smart candidate search. The smart candidate search is something you just need to write one prompt. For example, I need a let's say I'm finding a candidate with the 2 years experience with the Node.js skills, yeah, so skills, right? So based on that, your prompt, based on your conversational prompt, it will show the set of users with the matching criteria and everything. That is we are working on. Second one is the smart job creation. So if employer want to, yeah, admin want to post any job into the platform, they need to fill set of details into the platform, right? So we are trying to make it automate. Just employer need to write the simple prompt. I want to create a job for, let's say, this job title, this experience, with the this industry, with this salary range. So based on that prompt, right, AI will create the complete job description, complete job post, and the employer just need to verify and just need to post that job. And we are also working on small feature, that is a job creation. So if anyone employer want to create the JD for that job, they can simply create by prompting. So we have a few customer reference which is using our system with the AI. So the Orbit Future Academy is using Artha AI to connect the student with the employers. So currently they have a 500 plus employer, 400 plus job posted on the platform, and 30% increase in the placement rate after adopt of the Artha AI, right? One of the, I mean, NASCOM Future Skill Prime is also used our AI to build the Indian best tech job platform, right? Where we, I mean, NASCOM have a 400k plus registration candidate and secure the 5 out of 5 score for employment in the European Commission skill report. Yep. This is what about the AI in our Artha job board and upcoming features. If anybody have any question, feel free to ask.